Hello. Well, today is going to be part 3 of repairing the roof. And the vent stacks, I got that one there. I'm going to cover. Got that one there. I'm going to cover. And the refrigerator vent I'm going to cover. I'm taking out this vent. I'm taking out that vent. And I'm covering up that other stack pipe, whatever you want to call it. And we've also decided to take out the front air conditioner, just for the time being. We'll go. It's leaking around there, so I'll take it out and cover it up. And if we ever need it down the road, we'll put it back in. So, and we're gonna get rid of this big white thing up here too. So that's today's duties. I'll come back with you later. Alright, I've got the vents removed. I got everything cleaned up. I got that big white thing removed. I've got some guy did some patch on this thing at one time and put some Phillips screws through the roof and then put silicone on them, and I can't get my Phillips bit into it to actually get the screws out. So I'm going to try to do something from below. I can't even get a pair of pliers on them. So, but this is what it looks like right now. It's what, like 3 o'clock. It's hot, but it's not really that bad today. I mean, I'm sweating, but it's bearable. I've been up here probably about an hour and a half. So, all in all, I guess it's a nice day. Be back later. There he is. My mean neighbor.